Hey guys, what's up? I don't even know what my channel name is going to be, but today we're going to be installing a front lip from eBay, some GV style PU material lip, and this is actually for the 01 through the 05, but I saw a YouTube video, I forgot what the channel name was, but I'll leave it in the description. He basically figured out that this actually just fits on a 99, and as it should, because I did the math, all right? See this OEM splitter here on this spec Miata? If that fits on 99 through 05, then why wouldn't a different spoiler or splitter fit on a 99 through 05? Why would it just be 01 through 05? So, sure enough, I'm pretty sure it fits, but I'm gonna put it on this street Miata here, but first I have to take the cover off. So here we go. We got the street Miata in all of its glory, unregistered, but soon to be, as I literally run into one of the mirrors. But yeah, it's kind of hard to take off the cover with one arm, but here we are. I'm putting the splitter onto this car, and as you can see, looks very naked right now. Looks very bland with the 99 style bumper, but hopefully we can fix that and have it look badass with a nice splitter. Also, future video, gonna be installing TN Street Base Z coilover, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, alright, so here it is in the package. Should come with bolts and adhesive. I'll probably lock it up first with the bolts and then apply the adhesive. And by the way, yes, I am wearing socks and flip-flops. It's just, you know, a Russian thing. But yeah, we're gonna, oh, there, whoa, hold on, what is this? Give me a sec. They gave me a lanyard? That's value. Check the, oh, this is a good lanyard too. I don't know what this means, but it's definitely cool. Dang, okay, recommend. This is already like the cheapest splitter on eBay, so. Anyways, another layer of shit to open, so yeah, I'll be back when I completely open it. Alright, so as you can see, it comes with eight screws for some reason. I don't know why, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 holes on the lip, and I can't seem to find number 7 and 8, so maybe they're spares, but I don't know. Basically, I'm gonna try to find where they're supposed to mount up. Pretty sure they're supposed to be mirrored to where the OEM splitter's supposed to go, so I'm gonna try to find that right now, and I'll be back when I find it, and I'll try to mock it up. So in order to make the installation easier, I have the car on ramps. As you can see, we have a lot of clearance now. Here are the tools that you'll need. So looking through some tutorials online, figured out that you will need something to screw obviously the screws in, and yes, I did change my shoes. I'm gonna use a power one because it's easier, but you could definitely get away with hand tools, and I have them here just in case I want to use them. Here's my little tiny one. I don't know why I have this glove here, but you also need painter's tape for the mock-up, since for some reason the eBay listing shows that it comes with 3M tape, but it miraculously doesn't. So you'll have to have it held in position somehow, and the only way to accomplish that is to have some kind of painter's tape so that you can take it off after you mock it up and drill. One thing I might add is I might get a drill and make little pilot holes on the bottom so that it's easier to screw these in, but I have a feeling that I'll be able to get away with just screwing them in as is. So let's get to mocking this up. So this part here was pretty tricky actually. I opted to use, so my first step was basically getting a center anchor point here, and that turned out pretty well. And then after that, I was struggling so much with this tape keeping on that I just went ahead and got these little twist jacks. And this is really specific, and not everyone has these, so I mean, it's super difficult. You probably need someone to help you get these things in the right spot, but as you can see now, it's pretty much as perfect as it can get, the positioning, so it's gonna be easy to drill and it'll turn out nice. So yeah, so I'll probably do some more taping down here, and as you can see, it's my ugly wrap. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, I'll tape it more and drill it out, and yeah, I'll come back when that's done. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but I decided to use a very tiny drill bit to sort of drill out a little pilot hole that we use, so it's easier for it to kind of grab. So I'm gonna do that right now in this place first. And oops, that's not what I want. I want it to be, you know what, I'm gonna tape this so it stays in place. Alright, now let's see if we can screw the little bolts in. Let's get 4 of them ready to go and ready to tidy them up. Okay, let's start with this one. Nice. Next. Alright, that one's done. Let's do this one. And then next, the final one on this side. And hopefully it turned out straight. Alright. And oh my god. Check that out. That's almost as perfect as you're gonna get. Not measuring it at all. Check that out. That's on there. So now what we gotta do is the outside portion here. We gotta line that up, and we gotta line up the other side, and then we're done. So let's get rid of that. Oh shit, maybe I should have cut that there. So I'm gonna put that back, and I'm gonna drill everything off camera if I can. I don't even know if I can drill. Might have to take off my wheels. That would be very annoying. I might have to take off my wheels. So yeah, we'll be back to that. Alright, so we're good. All I had to do was turn my wheel. I don't know if this is recommended or not to turn it while it's on the ramp, but looks like I have a pretty clear shot. Here what I did is I basically lifted it up, and now it's jammed into there, and I can drill through this little plate, and yeah, it'll be on permanently. Alright, so I just finished up the installation, and some key things to note here. This I added. There was no bolt here, but it came with 8 screws. So I thought, why not add some more stability to this end? I have at least 2 bolts per end. As you can see, I did it on that side, or screws, whatever you call them. So yeah, right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the car off of the stands and show you guys how it looks like when it's on the road and flush to the ground. So here's the car with the nice little front splitter. I think it looks gorgeous. I think it looks literally gorgeous. This is exactly what I wanted on the car, as you can see. Now we're gonna do about a 1-inch drop. We already have a half cage. As you can see, that's the interior. That's my center console delete because the old one was PU nasty. We're keeping the leather interior. Seats are going. Keeping the stock steering wheel. This is gonna be a proper build. But yeah, these are the OEM little, I forgot what they're called, like arrow catches or something. They're like mud flaps, but some kind of arrow. This is a OEM color actually. I'm gonna wrap this later, but this is a little aftermarket, not aftermarket, but OEM spoiler that I got from eBay. But yeah, first non-OEM sort of body modification. It's this front air dam. /splitter. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely makes the 99 look way better. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this car right here actually is a 99 with a 1000 bumper, a 2000. And as you can see, I have to cover, for it to be legal, I have to cover the fog lights. But the fog lights look so much better on 99s, in my opinion at least. And then as you can see here, it has an OEM air dam. But I thought that, you know what, street car, something cheaper. Got that eBay special on there, but yeah. As you can see, we got the little exhaust too. I don't know. See you guys later.